Let's code a three-dimensional hover effect. For the HTML we need one div with the ID wrapper and one div with the ID card. The rest of the content is totally up to you. How does 3D animations work? First of all, you need to know the element that you want to be 3D animated. You have to jump to its direct parent and apply the attribute perspective. In this case I use 800 pixels. It describes distance between the user and the screen. If I apply attributes like rotate Y or translate Z, you can see the 3D effect. We won't need this anymore, so I comment it out. Let's go to JavaScript. First of all, we need to reference the card. The card will get two event listeners, one for mouse move and one for mouse leave. The callback set rotation will be invoked every time the mouse moves above the card. For this, we need to compute the correct values to animate the 3D effect properly. Let's prepare those variables now. Rotation max is the biggest possible rotation value. Rot y and rot x will be the current computed degrees. I also need the width and the height of the card and the complying half values. I also need the current location of the mouse and its complying percentage value relative to the card's width and height. To compute the correct rotation y value, we need to identify the location of the mouse. It's a difference if it's in the first half or the second half of the card. Same thing with the rotation x value. It's based on whether the mouse is in the top or bottom half of the card. Now we have the rotation x and y values. We can apply them now to the transform attribute. But why isn't it smooth? To make it smooth, we need to apply pointer events none to every child element of the card. And now we have our desired 3D effect. If you want to change the sharpness of the rotation, there's only one value you need to change, and it's max rotation. Defining the callback for reset rotation, we need to apply the transition for the card to make it smooth. After we resetted the transform values, we use a timeout to remove the transition value again. Because we applied a perspective attribute to wrapper, the card, its direct child, is three-dimensional, but not its children. We can change that by applying transform style preserve 3D to our card. This way, we also can apply three-dimensional effects on every child of the card. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you want to see next, or check out more code on GitHub or my website.